Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to upgrade your plan on Squarespace. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and that you own on Squarespace. So guys, if you want to upgrade your plan, all you have to do is go ahead and find any website that you want, and then you want to click these three dots in the upper right corner. As you can see, we currently have this tutorials website and we're going to click these three dots, and this will again open up some options that we can use. So guys, you can see here we have permissions, billing, settings, and so on. So guys, if you want to upgrade your plan, it's very easy. All you have to do guys, go ahead and click on billing right here. So guys, after clicking on billing, now this will open up this new page called billing in your browser. Here you have subscriptions, payment information where you can put in your card number to use with your Squarespace website, invoices, and so on. We want to go back to subscriptions. After you have put in your payment information, here you can see our website that the trial expires on February 4th of 2023. So guys, how do we upgrade it? All you have to do is click on this, and then you'll be greeted by this prompt right here where you can click the upgrade button to be able to upgrade your subscription. So guys, go ahead and click on upgrade, and after clicking on that, you'll be able to select a plan and continue with upgrading your plan and confirming your payment. After doing that guys, your subscription will be upgraded. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.